All right, let's go over the root chakra basics. The root chakra, color is red, it's located at the base of your spine, and it is a masculine chakra. What that means is that it projects force out into the world. Other chakras are feminine chakras, and they receive energy from the world and the universe. But the root chakra is a masculine chakra, and it projects energy down and establishes your physical presence in the world. The root chakra is fed by two smaller chakras located in your feet that bring the energy of the earth up the channels within your legs, and they deposit it, a little feeder channel, into your roots. But these channels are only working if you feel safe to allow yourself to ground. Many of us, due to our first experiences being alive and our experiences from our parents and our childhood, have a feeling at a subconscious level that we're not safe and that we can't ground ourselves. And as a result, the feeder channels that are supposed to be working in our legs and feeding us this nurturing earth energy are not working because we have to go through and clear and heal the root chakra. And if that's you, perfect. We're going to be doing that later. But first, I want to tell you just a little more about this chakra. The root chakra also is corresponded directly to your adrenaline glands. Remember how I said that every single chakra has a set of endocrine glands associated with it? Well, the root chakra is corresponding to your adrenaline glands, which release adrenaline due to the fight or flight response. Unfortunately, many of us today have an overactive fight or flight response, and we're running too much adrenaline through our system. And this has to do with a weak root chakra of not feeling safe. So we're overestimating the threat from the environment. And we're going to talk more about that in a future video within this section. It's important to also note that the root chakra, being the base of your spine, being your base, is like your spiritual power generator. And if it's not healthy, you'll have less energy in your other 6 centers above it to really power an amazing life. So you can see how the root chakra is so important. And one of the ways to tell about the strength of your root chakra is simply to look at your legs, look at your butt, look at your stability in life, look at your basic survival needs. If you don't have your basic survival needs met on a monetary level, you won't feel safe to ground. And physically, this will correspond to kind of this feeling of like weak or shaky legs, tightness in the hamstrings. You'll just have this feeling of not feeling strong and rooted. And I know for me in my early life, due to childhood experiences I had, I didn't feel safe. And it took me having to consciously go into my root chakra, do this healing work, get in the gym, start exercising and really embracing my physical self before I was able to have a powerful root chakra that could actually bring my presence to earth, get me moving, get me excited about waking up in the morning. But it's always a challenge for me because it's not natural. So some of you will have natural abilities with certain chakras and others of you will have to work on them. And that is totally okay. And that is what this course is all about. So you understand the basics of the root chakra. Color is red. It's a masculine chakra. It projects your physical presence here and now. And it's the power generator that feeds all of your other chakras above it. Now let's talk more about how this chakra can be wounded, how it functions in society, and how we can heal it.